Every day, I have many clothes to wash. My husband and my children go out daily, and by evening, their clothes are quite dirty. In the morning, after breakfast, I wash all clothes. I usually don't use a washing machine. Instead, I prefer using a washing stone because it helps to remove all stains from the clothes. Washing machines don't clean stains as effectively, in my experience. There is a big stone in our yard that we got from a stream about a year ago. I use it daily. I live in Kerala. This is a summer season and the sun shines brightly and powerfully after 7:30 a.m. So, I wash clothes either before 7 a.m. or after 6:30 p.m. In the morning, the sun hasn't woken up. And in the evening, the sun has gone to sleep.